Let me tell you something. One of the toughest things you're gonna go through in life is when you go to outgrowing people. It's gonna hurt you when you outgrow your relationship and you can't be with your wife no more because she ain't growing at the pace you growing. It's gonna hurt you when you outgrow your husband because your vision ain't aligned with his vision. He's still stuck on bullshit and you wanna own a house, you tired of renting. He's still stuck on partying and hanging out and you tired of that. You trying to get married and live a different life. It's gonna hurt you, man, when you outgrow family members, man, that grew up in the same house as you. It's gonna hurt you because you can't go around the family no more because they don't understand your new growth. It's gonna hurt you when you outgrow friends, man, that used to do the things that you used to do, but you ain't doing no more because you done grew so tall and they stopped growing and now they don't want to ball with you, man. They want to stay and they want to pull you back so you can fall with them. Understand what I'm saying, man? It's gonna hurt you, man. Growth is painful, but it's powerful, and it's very silently. And I'm going to tell you something, man. When you growing and when you achieving and when you start to believing in yourself, man, you start get from around these leeches and everybody that's heathens, man. You start cutting these people short because you realize that they stunting your growth. And it's going to hurt you when you can't hang around them no more. It's going to hurt you when you get around certain people, man, and you don't feel the same that you used to feel about them no more. You don't feel the same way. You feel some type of way. It's going to hurt you, baby. But let me tell you something. You gotta learn that your vision is aligning you with your final destination. And everybody ain't gonna make it, baby. The people you start with ain't gonna be the people you finish with. You gonna have to let some people go. It's just like a city bus. The city bus start off empty and it always finish empty when it said going to the garage. But along the way, it pick up people and drop off people. Just like an elevator. On the way to the top, you're going to the penthouse. Yeah, and you crowd it up and you're letting people off on floors. But at a certain point, you wind up on that elevator by your goddamn self. And that's gonna be you going all the way up by your goddamn self. Everybody can't go.